Amrita, I assume that you are not taking support of any books or copies or anything like that, and you will honestly give the interview. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have our panelist Prerna Madam, who has got the 7-8 years experience in banking industry and corporate industry. Mr. Pankaj sir, who has got around 10 years experience in financial market and financial industry and banking industry. Okay, I myself has got 7 to 8 years experience in banking industry, as well as some experience in corporate industry. Okay, so we,
Um,
okay, so good afternoon, and we'll start it. Okay, you are okay? You will start it. Should we start?
yes, sir.
Okay. So, Amrita, uh,
Ah, sir.
what is the meaning of your name? Tell me.
Sir, it is a liquid that in Hinduism it is a liquid that the god used to drink that which bestows immortality.
Okay. So, tell me something about yourself, Amrita. Something about you without taking your name.
Sir, I am from Karnataka state. My native is Mikere village in Mandya district, and I did my graduation in Bachelor of Science. Uh, that's it, sir.
That's it. Very small, very short information you have given. Short introduction. Okay, it's okay. You said that you are from Mandya district. Okay,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Where is the district headquarter of Mandya? Don't get nervous. It's just a learning session, okay? It's not your real interview. We are trying to make you aware more about more and more facts and all, okay? And be cool and calm, okay? And answer the questions, okay? You do not when you do not know, you just say, sir, I am not able to recollect, okay? Or I do not know, sir, okay? Where is the district headquarter? You do not know. Headquarter of your district, you do not know, okay? You tell me the nickname of Mandya district. What is the nickname of Mandya district given
Sir, sugar city. It is called as sugar city as
in?
the sugarcane is the major crop that we grow.
I want to know it in Kannada. What is the name that is given in Kannada? Kannada language.
Sir,
In Kannada language, what is it called? Sugar
sir,
city. What?
Sakkare Nadu.
Okay,
Sakkare Nadu.
that's very good. Okay, what is the major industrial or economic activity that is being performed in Mandya district?
Sir, as I said, sugarcane is the major crop in our district. It's the major economic
Okay,
activity.
it's the major
It's carried
economic
out.
activity. Okay. One more thing, tell me, Amrita, Mandya is very beautiful place as far as my knowledge is concerned. What are the tourist places that you find really exciting or one should visit? As like I am from North India, so if I'll come to Mandya, what are the tourist places which you will suggest it to me? Tell me the names.
Sir, so the most honorable Sir M.V. Vishweswarayya's under his architect, there is a dam, KRS Dam, which is known as which is abbreviated as Krishnaraja Sagara Dam, that is situated in Mandya district in Srirangapatna Taluk, and Asia's first hydroelectric power generation has started in Shivana Samudra, which is also in Mandya district. And there we can see Gaganchukki and Barachukki falls. Many tourists from all over the world will come here to
Okay.
visit that. And then, sir, in Melkote also we can see the temples
Okay.
and our freedom fighter or warrior we can also Tipu and Hyder Ali's.
Okay. Tell me one thing, you mentioned Tipu Sultan, right? So
Sir.
recently there was very much big issue regarding that the installation of the idol of statue of Tipu Sultan. In Karnataka and that southern coastal region, there was an issue raised by some Hindu activist and all. Do you know any event like that? Do you have you heard about it?
Sorry, sir, I don't.
You do not. You are
I will.
not. Okay, you go and find about it, the whole thing. Okay, and one more thing you told that various gods and goddesses temples are there. You tell me one thing that in recent years, uh, during excavation by Archaeological Survey of India, there is a big statue of some god is has been excavated. What is who is that person? And who that person belongs to which religion? Did you
Sir, I
did
had forgotten, but I can't able to recall. But it was kept in Uttar Pradesh right now, I think.
no, in Mandya district I'm talking. Did you get my question? What I'm asking? See,
No,
in
sir.
see when you do not answer or do not understand the question, directly ask that. Pardon, sir, I did not get the question or I did not hear it. Kindly please again repeat it. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
once more I'll repeat the question. In Mandya district, you talked about god and goddesses, right? That
Yes, sir.
various gods and goddesses temples are there in Mandya district, which are kind of tourist place also. Okay. So
Yes,
I
sir.
am asking in Mandya district, during the excavation by Archaeological Survey of India, there was a statue that has been found. You tell me the statue is related to which religion god and the name of that god.
Sorry, sir, I don't know that issue.
So you don't know about it. Okay, okay. So you know the population of your district?
No, sir.
No, you do not know. You know the literacy rate of your district?
Sir, 76 point something.
76 point something. Near about you are. Uh, Tell me, have you gone through the Karnataka state budget?
No, sir, it was not proposed yet.
No, Karnataka state has published the budget details. Has it been published or not? Do you have idea that has it been published till now for the
It was
2000?
not
It is not
yet.
published.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
In the
Then
first week of March.
in the first week of March it will be published, right?
Yes.
Okay, who is the chief minister of your state?
Sir, Shri Basavaraj Bommai, sir, is the chief minister of our state.
Okay. So do you have any idea about the schemes that is running in Karnataka state, which is regarding the women empowerment or kind of empowerment to the weaker section women? Do you know any scheme?
Sir, particularly in our state means I don't know about that. Uh,
In Karnataka state, some schemes are running, okay? That is
yes.
related to the women empowerment. Do you know the name of those schemes?
No, sir.
You do not know. Okay,
I will.
okay. You tell me, have you read about the banking terms or all that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have studied physics, chemistry and maths, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know free body diagram?
Sir?
Free body diagram. In physics we use free body diagram. You have written in your biodata that you have studied physics, chemistry and mathematics in your graduation. I
Yes,
am
sir.
asking that what is free body diagram?
Sir, it is a three-dimensional diagram
Hmm.
um, where it. Sorry, sir, I am not
Okay,
prepared well.
okay, no issue. You tell me what is lead bank scheme? You
Sir,
don't know?
lead bank, it's
Tell me. No issue. Cool. Don't get nervous. You do not know is if you do not know, it's okay. Fine.
Sir,
Uh,
little.
you don't know completely, right?
Yes, sir. Sorry
Okay,
for
no,
that.
okay, it's okay. You know RBI.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about RBI.
Sir, RBI is our Central Bank of India, and it is the banker to bank. I mean, lender of last resort.
Hmm?
It is the issuer of currency, and it manages foreign currency, and
You,
it supervises offsite and onsite uh, things of other banks. Sir, it is banker to bank. It supervises all banks
okay, fine.
and monitors policy.
Fine, you told one sentence, okay, that it is the lender's bank, lender's lending bank. Last resort,
Lender of
see, last resort, okay,
sir.
you told me. So I want to ask that how has it become the last resort for everyone when government of India is there for supervising RBI also. So why is it called last resort lender? Or lender to last resort to the lenders, why is it called that, use that term when RBI is governed by the government of India? Government of India is a governing kind of governing body above the RBI. So government of India should be the last resort to everyone, each and every agency working under government of India. Why is it called last resort to lenders?
Sir, Government of India also takes loan from RBI, I think.
Okay, okay, fine, Amrita, it's okay. One last thing I will ask, what are your hobbies? What do you do? Extracurricular, extra time, what do you do? How do you pass it? Your time, pass your time.
Sir, I spend most of the time in helping my mother in household chores like cooking, cleaning, like that. And I accompany my father in farmland.
Okay,
And I was fond of solving Sudoku.
okay,
Whenever I get free time, I used to solve Sudokus.
okay.
And
So, so tell me, who invented Sudoku?
sir, Japanese man, I sorry, sir, I will revise that. I forgot that name, and he died recently in 2021. And
Okay, you told me that you help your father in your farming activities. Okay,
no, sir, I accompany him.
oh, you can accompany him. Okay,
Yes.
there. Uh, can you tell me what are the three important seasons, crop seasons in India?
Sir, Kharif season
Hmm?
from July to October, and
Hmm?
it is in monsoon season. We can see Kharif season, and another one is Rabi season
Hmm?
from October to April, May, like that. From May to June, July, we can see Zayat season.
Okay, fine. It's done from me. Pankaj sir will take the interview further. Pankaj,
Okay, sir.
Pankaj sir. Mute. Okay, Pankaj sir is not there. Prerna madam will take the interview
Yes,
further.
sir.
Okay, Prerna madam.
Yes.
Hello.
Pankaj is
Hello.
here. Pankaj.
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, okay. You can talk to Amruta.
Hello.
Okay, Pankaj, continue.
Okay. Uh, so, welcome, Amrita. Uh,
Thank you. Good afternoon.
so, please tell me something about.
Sir?
Hello.
Sir?
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello?
Okay. So, good. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, Amrita. Please tell me, what do you think about this? What is the relation between equity prices and gold prices? Do you have any idea?
Sir, can you tell me once again? Sir, it was
Hello.
not clearly audible.
My voice is not.
Pankaj,
Hello.
I think you are not audible properly.
Hello.
Hello?
1 minute.
Sir.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello?
Am I audible?
Sir.
Am I audible? Okay. So
Yes,
please tell me, uh, what is the any specific relation between equity prices and gold prices?
sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Fine. Okay. So please tell me, what do you think? Subprime mortgage crisis.
Sir?
Subprime mortgage crisis. Do you have any idea about it? What it is?
No, sir, sorry.
Okay. 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 No problem. So do you know what is a swap? Swap.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. No issue. No issue. Please tell me. You have any? What do you think about this recently? RBI. It has been proposed that RBI is going to come up with a digital currency.
Hmm.
So how do you think it is different from a cryptocurrency? No, don't. Nothing to get puzzled. Just think and you can tell me. No, no problem. Means what is the difference between the digital currency proposed by RBI and cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and all those things? So what is the basic difference between them?
Sir, digital currency is proposed by RBI.
Right. So how is it different
It is a
from
legal
cryptocurrency?
tender. It is a legal tender.
So that's fine. It's a legal tender. So even cryptocurrency is not specified to be legal or illegal till now. Okay.
Mm,
So
yes,
I want to understand what is the difference, basic difference between them.
sorry, sir. I don't have much
Okay.
idea.
So okay, fine. Uh, you have some idea about Federal Reserve interest rate policy, what is going on these days?
Sir?
US Federal Reserve. You have some idea about US Federal Reserve interest rate policy, how is it going to impact Indian financial markets?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Uh, Basel Accord?
Basel norms?
Yeah, Basel norms. You know?
Sir, I know that, but I'm not much clear about. I don't have much clear idea, knowledge about that.
Okay, okay,
I have to study more,
okay,
sir.
okay, okay, fine. What is an option? You know, option in a financial product, financial market, there is a financial product called option. Do you know what is an option?
Okay. Yes,
Okay, okay, fine, no problem, no problem. So
sir.
you have studied physics, right? With
Sir?
mathematics. You have studied physics and mathematics in your
Yes,
graduation.
yes, sir.
Can you please tell me something about a special theory of relativity? Have you read this?
Yes, sir.
What is a special theory of relativity? When it was proposed?
Sir,
In which
I
year it was proposed?
sir, I read the concept,
Okay,
but
please tell me the concept.
sir, I've forgotten that, sir.
Okay, so who proposed a special theory of relativity?
Theory of relativity.
So,
Sir, can I
okay,
get
tell
it?
me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please go on.
Sir, Newton Einstein.
So, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein.
Sir, sorry,
Okay,
sir.
so
Albert.
So tell me, what is the basic difference between Newton's laws of motion and special theory of relativity? Just one line. What is the basic difference between them? Just one line answer. Okay, no problem, no problem. You know the concept of bad banks?
Yes, sir.
What is a bad bank?
Sir, bad banks are set up by Government of India or Reserve Bank of India in order to decrease
Hmm?
the cases of NPA. So when
Hmm?
NPAs are increasing in the banks, it will be given to bad bank, and those bad bank will come in between the loan defaulter and the bank, and there is an agreement between banks and bad bank, in which, sir, suppose if 10 lakh is defaulted by borrower, there is an
Hmm?
agreement made between bad bank and the bank that it will give 50,000 back, and the bad bank try to recover that loan from the borrower.
Okay, so how do you think it is going to impact the Indian banking industry?
Sir, it will help to reduce NPA. I mean, it will help to reduce the losses and help to bring back the income of banks.
Okay, so basically it will clear the bad assets and means
Yes, yes,
it will clear the balance sheet of the banks,
yes,
right?
sir.
So
Yes,
that the banks can stay afresh.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
rather than they can focus more on their businesses rather than focusing on their NPS.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine. So uh, private equity and public equity. What is the difference between them?
No, sir. I don't have idea
Okay,
about.
okay, fine. Uh, Amrita, from my side, uh, that's over. Uh, Pratyush,
Hmm.
you Pratyush said you
Yeah,
can take it
yeah,
forward.
Pankaj sir, if you want to give feedback or anything like that, you have got the meeting you can give, or I'll proceed to Prerna madam.
Okay, you can proceed for now.
Okay, Prerna.
Okay. Okay. Hi, Amrita.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Uh, Tell me, have you heard of the term monetary policy?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain, please.
Monetary policy is conducted by RBI,
Mm-hmm.
in which it has 6 members. Um, Usually, Monetary Policy Committee will conduct the meeting at least 4 times in a year. It
Mm-hmm.
publishes quantitative tools like repo, reverse repo, rate MSF, LSF, like that.
Okay.
Uh, it will help to control the inflation.
Okay. And what else?
That's it, ma'am. It will forecast GDP growth.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you said that it will help to control the inflation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose inflation is increased, and in
Mm.
order to curtail that, what step will RBI take?
Ma'am, it will increase the repo rate and reverse repo rates.
Okay. So
All the
what
time.
type? Yeah, what type of what is the name of it? What type of monetary policy is it?
Sorry, ma'am, I
Okay.
can't able to recall now.
Okay. Okay. It's contractionary money policy.
Yes, ma'am. Mm.
Okay. You have said that repo rate CRRs are all are quantitative tools, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the qualitative tools then?
Ma'am, qualitative tools like, ma'am, I don't know about it,
Yeah.
but I can give an example. It will,
Okay. Yeah.
uh, ma'am, suppose the rate of the sugar is fluctuating.
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't read the.
No, it's okay. Don't get nervous. Just explain it to me.
Mm, ma'am, I have to read about that.
Okay, okay. Do you have any account?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are the OVDs? Have you heard of the term OVDs?
No, ma'am.
Officially valid documents like Aadhaar.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have submitted, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
While
ma'am.
opening your account, you have submitted some of the documents. What were they?
Ma'am, my identity card like Aadhaar,
Mm-hmm.
and then
What else are accepted in a bank when while opening your account? What else are considered to be officially valid?
ma'am PAN card,
Mm-hmm.
and then voter election voter ID.
Okay. Okay, no problem. There are basically six types: passport, Manrega card, and all. Okay,
Pass.
it's okay, it's okay. Uh, do you know anything about Negotiable Instrument Act?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you understand check? Check.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? I mean, if you
Ma'am,
have to explain it to a very layman person, any person, you have to tell him what this is a check.
mm,
Okay. So what can you do with this? What is it?
ma'am, it is a negotiable instrument,
Okay.
and
How are you going to say that it's a negotiable instrument? How can you say that?
ma'am, sorry, I read that somewhere.
It's okay, it's fine, it's fine. You just okay. And tell me, what are the different types of ATMs?
Ma'am, there are mainly two ATMs: brown label ATM and white label ATM.
Okay,
Brown label ATM service provider is one bank, and the amount service provider is one bank, and the transactions, all those things will be carried out by one bank, and it is, ma'am, mainly carried out by the banks. Whereas white label banks, it will be done by non-banking financial companies.
mm-hmm.
Under white label, so under brown label ATMs, we have different types like brown label ATM, green label ATM, pink label ATM, orange label ATM, like this.
Okay. What is orange label ATM then?
Orange label ATM. Sorry, ma'am, I can't able to recall.
Green you can understand, like for agriculture, right? Green from the color. Pink you can
Yes,
understand for women.
yes,
Orange,
ma'am.
do you remember that? For shares or anything?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, no
ma'am.
problem. Uh, okay. Suppose as a banker, you know the term CASA?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as a banker, what would be preferable to you? More CASA or more time deposits?
Ma'am, more CASA, because as a banker,
Mm-hmm.
uh, in a bank, we will provide less interest in current account, in savings account, and no interest in current accounts. But
Okay.
whereas in fixed deposit and recurring deposit, we have to provide more interest rates. That's why more CASA means more profit to the banks rather than trying uh, fixed deposit and recurring deposits.
Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm good from my side. That's it. Yeah.
So, after 10 minutes, Amrita, uh,
Ah, sir.
I will ask one or two more question as a concluding question, and we'll end the session. And after 10 minutes, you will rejoin for the feedback. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Amrita, you tell me uh, uh, one thing. in cooking, and you said that your hobby is like cooking and what? Sudoku. How will that extracurricular activity or hobby will help you as a banker if he'll select you?
Sir, solving Sudoku has increased my analytical capabilities, and it will help me in rendering good customers. Banking be analytical field, it will help me in rendering good customer service, and I don't know how to manage when how cooking will help in banking field.
Okay. Tell me one thing. If you become a branch manager, okay, and
Huh, sir.
your father approaches you for the farmer's loan, okay, or you heard about the Kisan credit card, anything like that, or any loan that is related to farming or agricultural activity,
Yes, sir.
and he approaches you with one or two papers which are insufficient, will you provide him the loan? First of all, first question, and you are you know that your father has that capability that he will repay the all the land loan and principal and interest, everything he will easily repay, no issue, you know him, your father. But at the document side, he has got insufficient documents, two or three documents are insufficient, he is telling that daughter, please, beta, after 2 3 months I'll submit all the documents, you please give me, you know everything. As a daughter, will you provide the loan to your father?
Sir, I will explain him
Tell me.
that it is
Will
a
you provide or not? Simply, no explanation. Just provide it or not.
no, sir.
No, you will not provide. Why?
Sir,
He has got the repayment capacity. He has got all the money also. You know that he has got big farming lands and all. He has got good productivity from the land. Just two or three papers are less. Okay. Bank needs the money. Okay. Bank needs the money. At the end, bank will ask you why this loan is NPA or not. What is the status of the loan account? He won't ask you about whether it is being paid. Then it's okay for the bank. And you are the branch manager. You are overlooking everything. So, what are the reasons? What are the reasons that you will tell it to your father that on this basis I am not providing you the loan? Tell me those reasons and bases. Do you understand my question, Namrata?
yes, sir.
Yeah, you tell me the reason. What will you tell your father? That I am not providing you loan because of these reasons. Tell me.
Sir,
Not
without those documents, it is not possible to grant the loan. I will tell like that, and I I will also tell them to bring those papers as soon as possible
after sanctioning the loan or before sanctioning the loan.
before sanctioning the loan.
Okay. Okay, Amruta. I'm done with that, and we'll reconnect with you for the feedback. Okay, after 5 minutes. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Amrit.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Pankaj sir will give you the feedback first.
Okay, so Amrita, it was nice talking to you. So, point is that see, you have come from a physics background, so you should have some basic awareness about the things your in your area of graduation, right? Because you might be asked about, because Newton, Einstein, these are very basic things. So you might be asked about those things. So you have to be prepared about, at least if not in depth, but at least you have the basic idea about the physics, mathematics, and all those kind of stuff, because you might be asked those questions. Okay, anyway, anyone can ask you uh, about that. And apart from that, I would ask you to improve your financial awareness. Okay, financial knowledge, financial terminologies, because whatever questions I have asked, those are very very basic, primary questions, elementary questions in finance, or the financial industry terminologies and all those kind of things. So, and these come from once you develop a habit of reading various newspapers regularly, everything comes into mind. You will get the things very clear. So I think you should also go through newspapers very frequently. And at this point in time, when you have some paucity of time for before your actual interview takes place, so what happens? So what you can do, that you can note down some of the basic financial terminologies, basic financial awareness news, and then you can have a Google search on all those kind of all those topics, and make a make a revision for that, right? So that's the best way you can prepare regarding the financial awareness and financial terminologies when you have so much less time for your interviews. So please make a list of some of the financial terminologies which are very very basic and quite frequently used in the newspapers and otherwise, and some of the financial news, and then please work on that, because you must be you it's a there's a high probability that you might be asked about these kind of stuff. Okay, so you are expected to be aware about the financial happenings, what is going on all around, because that is going to affect the that is going to have an impact on your banking industry and otherwise. So you must be prepared for that. So you have to improve on your financial knowledge, financial awareness, and even your basic graduation thing like physics and math. Fine. So that's all from my side. Anything you want to ask me, you can please feel free to ask me. Anything you want.
So whenever I used to search for financial awareness videos in YouTube, I get most of the videos in Hindi.
Your voice is not audible. Please come again.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Sir, whenever I used to watch financial awareness related videos in YouTube, I will get most of the videos in Hindi.
Please come again. Please come again. Sorry, your voice is echoing. Please come
Hello?
again. Ah, yes.
Sir, shall I disconnect the call and call you again?
No, no, it's okay. It's okay.
It's
Pankaj,
okay. It's okay. You
Pankaj,
can. Yeah, yeah,
Pankaj,
that's fine. Yes, it's over. Okay, you can.
Pankaj,
Please, you
Pankaj.
can.
Uh,
Ah, yes.
what is this? He's saying it's a very general query. Okay,
Okay.
I'll satisfy her on that.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Fine.
from which she's asking that whenever she searches
Hmm.
the online platform or video YouTube videos, the most of the videos are in Hindi. That is why she is not able to grasp the matter and facts, economic matters and facts.
No, economic matters. You can Google. You can Google on it. There are so many English website or English newspapers on available online. Not necessarily on YouTube. Okay. So you can search Economic Times is there, and then Financial Express is there. There are many newspapers, not only Wall Street Journal. There are
Yes,
many
sir, I'm
newspapers.
following you. Okay.
Yeah. So please go through those newspapers, not necessarily newspaper, because
Yes, sir.
see what happens in that. Uh, if generally the foreign channels, people who foreigners make a YouTube channel in English, but that might not be so much relevant in Indian context, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's better that, and YouTube has so many false thing also, not necessarily very authentic thing. So better go for authentic sources like Economic Times or say Financial Express and all those kind of stuff. Investopedia is there. So you can have all those financial groceries on Investopedia. So these are the authentic sources of getting the financial information, rather than randomly searching on YouTube and other things. I hope that's clear.
Yes, sir.
So thank you, Amrita, and so all the best for your further endeavors. So thank you,
sir.
Pratyush.
Thank
You can over to you, Pratyush, and it's a buy time for me.
Okay. Okay, no issues. Okay, okay, Pankaj.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much, sir.
Thank you, Pankaj.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, thank you, Prerna.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Prerna madam will give you some feedback on that.
Okay. Amrita?
Ma'am.
Yeah. First of all, I will say that you have to work upon the nervousness that you face,
Yes, ma'am.
personality wise. Okay? Fine. You
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
have to get nervous. What if you don't know few of the questions? It doesn't matter, right? When you say it confidently that I don't know, sir, or I'm not able to recall it at this moment, it's not going to uh like show that you are weak in something or you are weak in your subject. You just say that confidently. Don't get nervous. Okay?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to be a little more confident. You don't have to
Yes,
show the
ma'am.
nervousness because it shows up. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
you have to have a good idea of your subjects, the basic subjects that you have studied in 10th, 12th, or because like
Yes, ma'am.
Pankaj sir has asked this theory of special relativity. It's common for everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ha.
ma'am.
So it's okay that you didn't was not able to recall it at that moment. It's fine, but just brush up a few things and the basics of banking and financial awareness because you're going to be an officer in banking industry, so you need to have a good idea of all these banking related terminologies, finance related terminologies. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the two things that I would like to say. Otherwise, just work on them and you'll be good. Okay? Rest Pratyush sir will.
Amrita, uh, your interview was okay. Okay. As far as behavioral and mannerism is concerned, it was okay. It was good. Uh, you will have to work on your native district. Okay. Uh,
Sir.
native district, you will search it in Wikipedia and all. You will get the facts. Okay. Recent facts is hardly 1 or 2 pages of Wikipedia. Okay. And second thing, your father is attached to farming. Okay. So that there would be questions, might be the questions regarding the primary sector. Okay. Or priority sector lending. There will be questions regarding that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So keep that in mind. Second thing, regarding cooking and all, I'll talk to you over phone. How will you convert the cooking is helpful in banking? How if they ask, how will you convert that? Otherwise I'll start explaining. The video will go on. It will be a kind of long video. So first thing you will have to work on what? Mandya district. Okay. And your native district, your state budgets, and questions regarding some of the questions regarding priority sector, primary activities, priority sector lending, and primary activities in economy. Okay, that is related to agriculture and farming. They might ask. And the third thing, kindly brush up the things regarding financial terms and financial terminology. Okay. So it will be
Yes, sir.
okay to recollect all those things. I have given the PDF, okay, regarding security market term, banking term, as well as insurance industry term. Just go through those terms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you need not to
Yes, sir.
mug up everything. You just go through the general term, day-to-day terms. That PDF has got around 100 or 150 terms. Okay, you need not to go to every terms. You have to just recollect and revise it revise those terms only which you used to listen every day in financial terms, financial papers or anything like that. If you have got some English newspaper, just read the financial page of that newspaper. You will get lots of information from there. Okay. Before going to interview, do read newspaper 1 week before. Okay, from the date of interview, and before that 7 days newspaper you must have the idea about the headlines in economic pages as well as front pages. Okay, you must have idea about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that will be okay. And introduction part, do add your hobbies and all. Okay, do not, this introduction is not at all exciting or kind of acceptable. Okay, so I have uploaded the
Somewhere
video.
I saw that introduction should be very small.
No,
That's
no.
why I
No, see, go with my videos. Okay, it is in Hindi and bilingual. It is on YouTube. You have subscribed the channel.
yes, sir.
Okay, go. I have uploaded the video regarding tell me about yourself. Okay, okay. You go with that video. You will get idea that from where you have to gather the sentences, from where you have to create the sentences in tell me about yourself. It is in bilingual, and most of the thing is in Hindi. Okay, but through phone I'll tell rest of the things. Okay, as far as the whole interview is concerned, it was okay. Just study the newspaper. Just go with the newspaper. Brush up some terms. Brush up the PDF which has been provided to you in the Telegram group. That will be. You cannot do more than that in these 10 days or 12 days. Okay, so do not go that deep. Have some basic idea about physics and chemistry terms like Newton's law. Okay, Newton's laws of motion, and all these things they might ask you. Okay, these basic things, basic laws of physics, basic laws of chemistry, basic formula of mathematics. They might ask you AQ plus BQ, tell me the formula. A plus B whole Q, what is the formula? So that's how the basic terminology, you just go have a superficial look over that those terms. Okay, so that's it, Abruta. And rest of the thing, if you have any query, you can contact me on the phone. Okay, I will, if you have any query regarding all this interview, or anything you have in your mind regarding any economic term or anything like that, you type it in the channel group. Okay, group, which channel I have the members. You are member of that channel also, Telegram group. Write it over there. I'll try to reply there. Okay. Okay, Amrita.
Okay,
Thank you.
Amrita, all the best.
All the best for
Thank you.
interview, and
Thank you.
have a nice day. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.